Geh Geh because of your stupid lecture. All because of your lecture. All because of your lecture, Geh Geh. This is not fair. This is not fair.
So now this kind mumu life, when I want make I dey live for Nigeria, nobody get plan for me again. Congratulations to Nigerians, so now plan for me don't finally work. I'm not finally useless and stupid. Don't worry. Now, can you get me that come? What be this? Geh Geh University of Wisdom and Understanding. Video the ambience of this side. You don't video now? Okay, now video this side. Can you get me that come? Geh Geh Academy. Come on. Can you get me that come? Since when I open school to lecture men on how to use their money wisely. Make them not use their money to carry the responsibility wey belongs to another man, because the responsibility of a woman belongs to her father, not you. Now my problem with this for Nigeria, it's not a crime. Now Nigerians don't take am upon their say no get they even give me to again. It has come to my notice, Nigerians not get value for men of value and honor. The world don't dey rich for Nigeria with all the record and they break record do. By now there's supposed to build somewhere for me. You guys are not worried about the sacrifice that they put in. Geh Geh your effort. Even if na small Corolla say portable one, make they buy give this boy. Make this boy they drive. Okay, now to one get attack me for road, everyone go know say this boy is go buy car for this boy. Go buy car for me. Go buy car for me. Now God they protect people. I know, but give me money. Let me go and hire security. I been out to one girl hold me first attack me say Geh Geh na use for my phone and go value me for Nigeria. What everything I've contributed. Sometimes wait I don't know, many of una get not even they ask una that girl, so they get asking for money. No, you just carry money because you feel like say since I the data the girl don see try make I still do this thing for her. Then when the girl finally run leave you, you go dey talk say after everything I've done for you, did she ask you for money? You dance for this girl no go gree follow you. Men they dance pokoli. These guys they dance. They don't give woman money. Go and learn how to dance. Sometimes woman not even really need anything from you. Can you dance?
And remember, like and subscribe. Or else. Smash that button now.